I think people who know logistics are probably are an incredibly valuable asset in this day and age, because we have so many large scale corporations and they're just bloated. Like I know
Yeah.
I know people who work in government who literally they're just like, oh yeah, I work 25% of my day and then I just have no other work to do. And like there's just so much inefficiency when you have a large scale structure. I think I
Right.
read one time that every time you double the size of a company, oftentimes it becomes 25, it consumes 25% more resources. So just because like you can't just, if you're one guy and you're managing 5 people, you can manage them pretty effectively. If you
Right.
are suddenly now managing 500, 5,000 people, it's like, well, things get lost in the weeds, like money kind of gets wasted. And so if you understand logistics, if you can organize things top to bottom, it's probably what a lot of, I would be much more comfortable paying taxes if the government was handling its money efficiently. Let's just
Oh,
say that.
well, motivation's a big, how do you motivate people to do their job? Well, you don't give them a lifelong pension.
Yeah.
It's, and with union strength, it's almost impossible to fire anybody. So, they can be rude and lazy. And the way that budgets are set up, it's like, all right, well, I have to spend my entire budget this year. Oh, I have $12,000 left over. What do I do? Well, if you're certain units in the military, you buy 12,000 TV wall mounts. What are you supposed to do with 12,000 TV wall mounts? Oh, we had to spend our budget. Like, oh, come on. Like, buy drones or something. I don't know, something useful.